Hi everyone, welcome to my channel today. It's Lynn here. So today I'm popping in to share this beautiful, stunning journal that I've received from Amanda at Scrimping Mummy as a thank you for being part of her design team. So this is right up my street. It is a beautiful fabric journal on the cover, and then Amanda has decorated the journal with lots of lace running all the way through the journal. It's absolutely gorgeous. So the collection Amanda has chosen to make this journal is the Georgian Romance collection, and she's decorated the journal throughout with loads and loads of lace, and it's absolutely adorable. She did say on her card that she thought it would be right up my street with the fabric and lace, and it definitely is, Amanda. It is absolutely stunning and I love it. So without further ado, let me take you on a walk through this stunning journal. So here we go. I'm really excited about this. So on the inside cover, we've got this beautiful tuck spot made from this gorgeous cream, pink and green lace. And it looks like Amanda has stitched the lace to the fabric to create two little separate tuck spots there, and inside she's popped these cute envelopes, gorgeous. And then on this corner she's got the beautiful lace at the top and the bottom with the pearls and sequins on there, and I'll just pop those little envelopes back inside. And how gorgeous are they? So they could be used as tuck spots. On this page we've got some lace at the bottom of the page, the beautiful lady there, and a little, looks like a sugar bowl going over the two pages. And we've got some beautiful pages, and again we've got the lace at the bottom. I think I'll have to take this idea from Amanda. I did use lace in my two journals, but I didn't think to run it across the bottom, so I think I'll have to take Amanda's idea on that one. And then we flip over, we've got some more beautiful pages, and look at this gorgeous embellishment here at the top made from lace, and the little flowers have been made from some kind of net, I think, and a couple of little pearls popped inside. Some more pages to do a little bit of journaling. In the corner here we've got this lovely lace embellishment, and then we pop over again, we've got some gorgeous pages, and this one has got some lace again at the bottom. They're beautiful, these, Amanda, absolutely gorgeous. And a little teapot which runs over onto the second page, and then some more pages with the beautiful romance collection. And wow, look at this stunning lace. It's cream and gold, absolutely gorgeous. I'm wondering where you get your lace, Amanda. It's absolutely beautiful. And if we flip over here, we've got some little embellishments here in the corner. I could do some writing on this page or just leave it as it is. Then we've got a little doily and a little bag that has been made into a pocket or tuck spot. Then here we've got a music page, and again a beautiful lace cluster at the top of the page. We flip over and we come to more lace, some more lace at the bottom, and a lovely little butterfly there. How stunning. And then these pages I could pop some, I could either pop some of the little some little embellishments, or I could write and do a little bit of journaling there. Then on this page Amanda's made a little kind of tuck spot or pocket, and she's popped this little tag in there with this cluster of craft card paper and lace, and then just pop the little butterfly embellishment and then tied it with some ribbon there at the top, and that just sits lovely inside the pocket. Whoop, a bit stuck there. Again, another page to journal, and look at this stunning lace here. I love that. A beautiful cream lace with pink and green. It's absolutely gorgeous. Again, you can journal here, and then we've got the lovely pages here, and some more lace and a butterfly just over the top of the lace. Absolutely gorgeous. Another page with a doily and a little bag to pop some little pieces of ephemera in. On this one, she's decorated the page with some lace around the bottom and the side, and made a little pocket here. She's clipped that on with a paper clip, and then inside there we've got some little tags. We could use those as journaling cards, all popped inside the pocket like so, and then a lovely little butterfly on that one. And then here is a fabulous page to do some journaling, lovely tassel, and then just at the top she's popped the books over the 2 pages. I love that idea. Again, some more journaling pages and some lovely a lovely piece of lace with the pearls and sequins on there. Another doily and a little bag. Some more journaling pages. This one just stuck the lovely embellishment there on top of the music paper. Some more journaling pages, and then this beautiful embellishment in the corner. That is absolutely stunning. So this looks as if it's been made with some net and some pearls. Oh, wonder how did you do this, Amanda? How lovely is that? And then we flip over, we've got these 2 gorgeous pages and the beautiful lace at the bottom, absolutely stunning. And then this is the center of the signature, which Amanda has used the lovely blue and white twine, which just matches perfectly with the collection. And then a lovely little lace cluster there. And then we've got some more journaling pages, lots of journaling spaces in this beautiful journal. And then here is another lace embellishment, some more journaling pages, another little bag and doily. And then look at this beautiful embellishment. So it looks to me like a butterfly, and then look at this. How stunning is that? Absolutely gorgeous. Some more journaling spots and another lace embellishment. Definitely right up my street, Amanda. I love it. Absolutely love it. And then on this page we've got a little cute teapot and the beautiful lace on the bottom of the page, and then the teapot just runs over onto the other side. Another piece of beautiful lace and one of those butterfly embellishments. How gorgeous are those? At the top we've got this embellishment, the beautiful lace, and then the flowers have been made from, it looks like some kind of sort of net or lace, and then the little pearls popped inside. And then here we've got kind of 2 tuck spots. So we've got the lace at the bottom, which is a tuck spot or a little pocket, and then we've got this page. I don't want to remove the paper clip, I'll just leave it as it is, but again you could pop some little bits and pieces inside, and then the lovely piece of lace, and then that just tucks beautifully inside there. Some more journaling spots, and then here we've got this cute pocket, and how dainty are these little tags. Absolutely lovely little cluster, and then some more little tags there popped into the pocket. And then there's another little sort of flap here which is made into a pocket. And look at this, absolutely tiny, just tucked there inside the pocket. Absolutely gorgeous. Some more journaling spots, and again Amanda has used the lace to create tuck spots, and we've got these two gorgeous tags. I love this collection, absolutely stunning, gorgeous. This, oh yeah, this is like this is another tuck spot or pocket, and that's got your little cups stacked up there, and then the two guys there. Again, we've got lace on the bottom of the pages, and then we've got another bag and doily at the bottom here. We've got this beautiful fabric, and then Amanda's popped the lace over the top and a cute little bow, and she's used that as a little pocket to pop these tags, or you could use them as journaling cards. Over the page is some more beautiful pages with lace on the bottom. This one we've got lace and a little butterfly with some more beautiful tags there, and they just sit beautifully inside the lace pocket. We've got this beautiful lace, and again those gorgeous flowers. At the back we've got the lovely lace as a tuck spot, and then she's made this envelope, and inside the envelope we've got loads of little bits of the collection, teacups, books, gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. So I'll just pop those back inside there, fold my envelope over, and then that just tucks beautifully inside there, and there you go. How beautiful is that? Absolutely stunning. I really love it. So there you go. There is a little walk through my beautiful thank you gift from Amanda at Scrimping Mummy. I'll leave a link to Amanda's channel in my description box. And yeah, there you go. How stunning is that? Absolutely gorgeous. Thank you ever so much, Amanda, for my beautiful journal. It's absolutely stunning. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you ever so much for joining me. I will be back again very soon. In the meantime, happy crafting. Have a wonderful day. Take good care of yourselves and see you soon. Bye bye for now.